Hey guys, welcome to Andy's Fantails. This is another update video on how my fantail doves are getting on. Recently, the half racing piston didn't come back as I thought it wouldn't, because its other offspring escaped a few months ago and never came back, so I don't know why it doesn't come back, but yeah, sadly I lost that one, so you have to excuse the noise because one of my neighbours is doing some work in the back garden. But all the young ones seem to be doing well. Like that one there. Brain bar is doing well as well. Trying to pair up the female who was paired up to my half racing piston up to that male there, because we really want to breed off him. So we'll see if it'll happen or not. Sorry guys, what's going on in the back? Just one thing, there's some water stuck in in a cupboard. Right, I've only got 2 nests now at the moment. So I've got this baby here. It's just doing really well. It's a really odd colour, it's like a musky. I'll take it out in black light so you can see. So it's a really odd, like dusty, cloudy colour. I think it's a male, but looking forward for it to be transferred into the outdoor aviary in a few weeks, so yeah. Problem with this new camera is that it hasn't got a torch on it, so these babies here are doing well. They look like they're going to be grey, but you can never tell with these half-racing pistons and curved-tailed doves because they come out either white or grizzled or brown, so it'll be interesting to see what colour they'll come out as. So yeah, I'm going to end the video here, guys, because it's too much banging going about. So yeah, and that's why I've hardly spoken in this video because of the banging. So yeah, thank you to my new subscribers. If you like, the comment, subscribe, and give my videos a big thumbs up if you like the content. And if you've got any questions about your birds or my birds, please leave them in the comment section below. Okay, thank you guys. Look out for another update video coming soon, and I'll see you guys soon.